and welcome to Housey. Myself Chetal and today we are here at Concord Elevate, which is located in Avalahalli, Bangalore, a project by Concord Group. Now, today we'll be doing a project overview in which we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before starting the video, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So this is the marketing office of the project, and about the land parcel is just behind the marketing office where the construction work is going on. Now, let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview, and this how your project will look like once it's ready. With total Southeast Asian theme. This is constructed in total 2.16 acres of land parcel with single tower, 2 basement ground plus 36 floors, having exclusive 3 BHK apartment which are lake facing and 4 BHK apartment which are city facing. Now coming to the location part, so this project is located just connected to the Old Madras Road in Avalahalli, Bangalore. Satya Sai Multi-Specialist Hospital is just 2.8 kilometers away from the project. Orion Uptown Mall is 4 kilometers away, and Kiarpuram railway station is 7 kilometers away from the location of the project. Now about the amenities part, and this project provide you luxurious amenities like a 15,000 square feet of clubhouse which is on the ground level with all the indoor games. Here comes a swimming pool, kids play area. Additionally, you'll be getting outdoor sitting area, yoga lawn and many more. Now coming to the super built-up area, as mentioned, this project provides you exclusive 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residencies with 3 BHK starting from 1934 to 1953 square feet and 4 BHK starting from 2556 to 2570 square feet super built-up area. Now about the booking process. So our project booking window is open now. We are inviting our clients to come and visit the site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail. We'll share the payment and pricing scheme and we'll show you the model flight as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was the project overview of the residential project Concord Elevate, which is located in Avalahalli, Bangalore, a project by Concord Group.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.